Welcome back to the channel, Auto Cars Land. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Audi S3, a premium compact sports sedan that continues to elevate Audi's reputation for combining luxury, technology, and exhilarating performance in a practical everyday package. The 2025 model builds on its impressive predecessor with subtle yet meaningful refinements in styling, interior tech, and driving dynamics. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi S3 continues to be powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces an impressive 333 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that delivers fast, precise shifts, and of course, Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system is standard. Thanks to this setup, the S3 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 4.4 seconds, making it one of the quickest vehicles in its class. In terms of design, the 2025 S3 maintains a clean and athletic stance with sharper lines and a bolder presence than before. The front end features an updated grille with a honeycomb mesh pattern and more aggressive air intakes, while the rear is equipped with a subtle lip spoiler, quad exhaust tips, and a diffuser-style bumper that adds to its sporty character. New wheel designs and color options are also available to give buyers more personalization choices. Inside, the cabin reflects Audi's commitment to premium craftsmanship and advanced technology. The dashboard is dominated by a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system running the latest MMI software, which offers crisp graphics and user-friendly functionality. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster known as the Audi Virtual Cockpit is also standard, allowing drivers to customize their display with navigation, media, and performance data. The interior materials are top-notch, featuring soft touch surfaces, aluminum trim, and optional carbon fiber or piano black inlays. The front sport seats offer excellent support with available diamond-stitched Nappa leather and contrast stitching. Ambient lighting, tri-zone automatic climate control, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system further enhance the cabin experience, making every drive feel luxurious. The 2025 S3 also comes packed with advanced safety and driver assistance features. Audi Pre-Sense Basic and Pre-Sense Front are standard, along with lane departure warning, rear cross traffic alert, and a rear-view camera. Available options include adaptive cruise control with lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera system, making the S3 not only fun to drive but also safe and convenient for daily use. Driving dynamics are where the S3 truly shines. The Quattro all-wheel drive system delivers exceptional grip, allowing the car to handle corners with confidence even in wet or slippery conditions. The suspension has been tuned to balance everyday comfort with sporty responsiveness. For those who want a more engaging drive, Audi offers the optional S Sport package, which includes adaptive dampers and upgraded brakes. The steering is precise and well-weighted, giving the driver a solid connection to the road. Thanks to the stiff chassis and low center of gravity, the S3 feels planted and nimble, whether cruising on the highway or taking on twisty backroads. The dual-clutch transmission shifts quickly in dynamic mode, and drivers can use paddle shifters for a more manual feel. Fuel economy remains respectable for a performance sedan, with an estimated 23 mpg in the city and 32 mpg on the highway. While not a hybrid or EV, the S3 still manages to be efficient enough for daily commuting without sacrificing its sporty nature. Audi has also ensured that the S3 remains competitive in the tech space. Wireless. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with a wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, and integrated navigation. Voice control and over-the-air updates keep the system modern and intuitive, while the My Audi app allows for remote vehicle monitoring and control. Practicality hasn't been forgotten either. Despite its compact dimensions, the S3 offers a usable trunk and adequate rear seat space for adult passengers on short trips. Folding rear seats increase cargo flexibility, making the S3 more versatile than it first appears. In summary, the 2025 Audi S3 is a compelling option for anyone looking for a high-performance small luxury sedan that doesn't compromise on style, technology, or daily drivability. It's quick, composed, well-built, and packed with features that make it feel like a much more expensive vehicle. Whether you're a driving enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates refined engineering, the Audi S3 is a strong contender in its segment and continues to uphold the brand's legacy of performance and precision. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autocars Land for more reviews on the latest cars of 2025. I'll see you in the next video.